Hello there, informed beauties. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be doing a product review, and this product is a product that is for the bikini line, the bikini area, to keep away ingrowns, to add into your at-home bikini care. And so I was really excited to get my hands on this. I was really excited when Vayshul reached out to me and was like, do you want to try this product? And it's a sheet mask for your bikini area. Now, I've never ever heard of a sheet mask for a bikini area. You hear a lot about, like mask, or you hear a lot about like oils and serums, but never have I ever heard of a sheet mask for the bikini area. So I was really intrigued. I really couldn't wait to try this product out. And so today we're going to be talking all about Vayshul, how to use it, and my final results on this, of course, like always. So let's go ahead and let's jump into this. Let's not waste any time. Now, a little background on my own bikini and what's going on with me is that I am a waxer. So I do remove, my hair with waxing. So I did do my bikini wax about a week ago. And so it still is important that I add in that extra care of, exfoliating, using a treatment and all that good stuff. I will have another video that's more in full detail of like my whole bikini like care, but we're just going to focus in on Vayshul. All right, so let's jump into what this is all about, and let's just jump into it. There's so much information about this that I just really can't wait to share with you guys, because this is something that I've never heard of before. So let's get into what the Vayshul is all about. So this is a sheet mask for your vagina. It is gluten-free, fragrance-free, paraben-free, silicone-free, phthalate-free, no artificial colors, and cruelty-free. You guys know I'm all about clean beauty, so for me, the cleaner the better. It does have some key ingredients like aloe vera, jojoba oil, coconut oil, witch hazel, hyaluronic acid, and Tamanu oil. This mask does help to alleviate bumps, ingrown hairs, and irritation, which is really important because, as you guys know, whether you shave, whether you wax, having some sort of like treatment for ingrowns, irritation is very, very important to have in your care when it comes to your bikini. It hydrates the skin, which is also great because hydration is overall great for the skin. I talk about that all the time, making sure your skin is hydrated, glowing, looking its best. When the skin is hydrated, it's healthy, therefore it can support the shaving or the waxing and look its best. And also it helps to heal. So the fact, usually sometimes for me, when you wax or when you shave, you're going to get ingrown hair. Sometimes you're going to have some skin issues that just comes along with the territory. So having a product that also heals inflammation or heals ingrowns is also a great thing as well. So this product has a lot of not only like great ingredients, it's cruelty free, but it also has a lot of key points that I feel are great for when it comes to the bikini area. You guys know that I am a wax specialist. You guys know that I wax people for a living. Every woman wants their bikini line to look its best. They want to have flawless skin, no bumps, no none of that. So I like the fact that this, so far from looking at it, does touch on like the hydration, the soothing, the healing. It really does touch on those key points that we really need for our bikini line. Okay, all right, so let's jump into how you would use this mask, and I'm gonna also show you guys how I'm going to use it here. It is suggested that you use this for best results the day after you do some type of hair removal, and then you use another one following the second day of that. Now, of course, I am a week out on my wax, so it's kind of a little bit later, but I still feel like either way it goes, because this has so many great benefits for soothing, healing, and adding that moisture, I still feel like you can benefit from it. So we're definitely still going to go ahead and give this a try. It is sold in 2-packs, so it comes with 2 masks, but inside of each pack is only a single mask for a single use. Okay, so now we're going to jump into how to use this mask. Y'all, I'm excited. A little bit of a background on my own bikini line and some concerns that I have when it comes to my bikini line is discoloration and ingrown hairs. Now, I don't get like really bad ingrown hairs, but I get like the little ones, and I see that they do scar, especially in my bikini area. So a lot of times that's like my main concern, is just like the ingrowns and the scarring. Okay, so I do like the fact that this does help out with ingrowns, because that's one of like my major like things. And also, you guys, ingrowns are not fun and they don't feel good. So if you get like those big cystic ones that are just under the skin and they're just uncomfortable and painful, you want to avoid that. So, you know, having a solid like skincare regimen and all that is key. Okay, so let's get into this. So how you want to use this is that you want to start with a clean pubic area. You want to unfold the mask and adjust to cover pubic area and bikini lines. Unfold mask and adjust to cover bikini area and bikini lines. And then you want to relax and enjoy your Vayshul for 15 to 20 minutes. We're going to do 20 minutes. And you're going to remove and gently pat any remaining serum into the skin. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to do this. I'm going to do this on camera. But of course, I'm not going to be able to show y'all because YouTube will take me down. Okay. So you definitely want to start on clean skin. Anything you do, you always want to start on clean skin, and we always talk about that. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm just gonna open up the package. Okay, let's see what it smells like. I like the scent of stuff, so it doesn't have much of a scent to it. So if you're somebody who's like maybe fragrance, it did say it was fragrance free. No, it did say it was fragrance free. Yeah. All right, so let's go ahead and let's open up this bad boy. I am so excited to try this out. All right, and if you guys hear noise in the background, it's my cat. All right, so this, I'm gonna unfold it. Okay, so this is interesting. Let's unfold this bad boy. Okay, so I'm believing that this goes over the top of the bikini area, and then these two side panels go down into the bikini area. So I believe it goes onto the bikini like this. Make sure you guys can see it in its entirety. So you want to place it over. Okay, so it's going to lay over the top part of the bikini just like that. And then you're going to take the side pieces into the bikini line. It's cold. It's cold. I do like that the cutout is pretty perfect. Like, it covers so far a lot of the bikini area, majority of the bikini area. It's not too small or anything. Okay, I like that. And it goes pretty far down into the bikini area as well. It's very well moisturizing. It's not, I would say, overly wet or anything. It is a great amount of moisture on the sheet mask, because a lot of times, it's, well, for the face, the problem that I feel you run into is some of the sheet masks can be too dry or overly wet, and it's just perfect. So I'm just kind of playing around with the adjustment of it. Also, this is not like oily at all. It has more of like a water refill to it. So it's not oily or anything of that sort. So I'm just pretty much playing around with the adjustment of it really quickly. Perfect. All right. Yeah, you're gonna have to play around with this adjustment a little bit, I feel, just to get it to kind of tailor to your body a bit. But once you get it on there, it's really nice. Okay, so it's on. It feels really nice. Like I said, it's not overly oily or anything. It doesn't seem like it's, you know, overly oily or anything. It's more like a water-based type of deal. It just feels really good going on. It just feels comfortable. I feel like it'll stay in place too. Like if for 20 minutes you have to, I'm gonna have this on, so you want to make sure that you are comfortable. Let's go ahead and I'm gonna set this for 20 minutes, my little timer, so that we can keep time and track of everything. Hold on. We're gonna sit for 20 minutes with this on, and then we're gonna come back and take it off, and we're gonna talk exactly about how I feel and my results with the Vayshul sheet mask. Be right back. All right, you guys, so I have about like 7 minutes left on waiting for the mask to do its thing, and we're just gonna talk about some key things while I am waiting, or just so far how I feel. I do suggest that you make it a like full regimen. So if you're gonna do this sheet mask for about 20 minutes, get you a TV show, get you a glass of wine, read you a good book, something, because I didn't really think that through. And yeah, when you have to like stay in maybe your bathroom depending on your living situation, because you can't put on any underwear or anything. You just have to kind of like sit there with it on for 20 minutes. I say create a regimen out of it. Make sure you get something to, you know, make the wait a little fun. Okay. So far my skin feels great. Like I don't feel, there's no like tingling, no nothing. It just feels like a regular like sheet mask. So I'm really more so like curious to see what it's like when I take it off and what it feels like after that. Zayla, cut it out. Y'all, my cat is acting like she ain't got no home training. I don't know what's her deal. Also too, I do have a link down below for you to you guys to go and take a look at the sheet mask and also shop the sheet mask. They do also include free shipping to Canada and the US, so definitely go down and check it out. Some key ingredients in this product that really like grab my attention is the witch hazel. You guys know I love witch hazel when it comes to like my acne. Witch hazel is a great astringent, so it's only going to work just as good for like ingrowns, and I really do love witch hazel and its healing properties, as well as hyaluronic acid. Now hyaluronic acid we talked about in videos before. It's just where it locks that moisture into the skin. It's all about moisture retention. We can suffer from like dry skin down below in the bikini area, and a lot of people are kind of like, you know, hesitant to put certain things in the bikini area. So I feel like the bikini area doesn't get as much moisture that it needs to get. So having the hyaluronic acid is going to lock some moisture into the skin is also amazing. Okay, you guys, so we're gonna go ahead and we're going to remove the mask. Now it's suggested that you remove the mask and you can squeeze out the excessive serum in the mask and just kind of like rub it into the skin. So we're gonna do that. So we're just gonna go ahead and remove the mask. Okay, that's what it looks like. You're gonna remove it. And then you're going to rub in the excessive serum into your bikini. Now I will say it feels really moisturizing, really soothing, but it's not overly moisturizing or anything. Like I feel like after I do this I can put on like my clothes or my underwear and it not be an issue. And I also seen that they did say this doesn't stain your clothes, so that's really good too, because that can be a concern when it comes to certain products. But no, I feel like this is just a very great lightweight serum. It really does absorb into the skin very quickly, because as I'm doing it, as I'm rubbing it in, it's just absorbing into the skin super quickly with a few rubs, and that is it. Like I literally feel like I can put my underwear back on and go on about my day. So I do like that. Let's get into my final thoughts on this sheet mask. Once again, I'm really excited to try this sheet mask, and I'm really glad that I got my hands on it because it is something different. I've never seen a sheet mask for the bikini area, and it just seems like it's a great addition to add into your skincare, your bikini care regimen. Now let's talk about how I feel about the Vayshul. I really like this product, and I'm gonna tell you some key things why. Besides the fact that yes, it's natural, it has a lot of great key ingredients that I like that we talked about. It's simple, and I feel like in the day-to-day, women's day-to-day, we're working, we're mothers, we're just on the move always. One of the things that I notice is that a lot of times people they don't have the time to do a lot of things, and I feel like this 15 to 20 minute mask is really simple to do, really easy addition to add into your bikini care that's going to give you some great benefits and some great results. I do also like that the little cut shape out, you have to adjust it a little bit to your bikini line and your pelvic line, but I feel like the shape out, the shape of it is just very clean cut, to the point. You lay it down, simple. Also the serum, I really liked how the serum melted into the skin. It wasn't sticky, it's not oily, it just really blends into the skin, and I feel like you can just put your underwear on, put your clothes on and go. Just that it's quick and it's easy. And I feel like my cat, y'all, Why is she doing this? Look, she doesn't do this any other time. She is cool, but she want to act like, why are you, she's putting on a whole show right now. I don't know why she is acting like this. Okay, anyways, so yeah, I really do like that about this product, and I definitely will continue to use this because, of course, now I'm not going to be able to see if it really does anything for my ingrowns or for my, specifically my ingrowns, because this is targeted more for ingrown treatment. Using it once or twice isn't going to be enough to see results for my ingrowns. I feel like you're going to have to use this mask a few times to see how it works for your ingrowns. So there will definitely be a another like check-in video on this product, because I'm really curious as into like how it's going to heal up my ingrowns and what it's going to do for my ingrowns. But I do think off the back I like this product. It is just simple, easy to use, and I just feel like it is a great addition to throw into your bikini care. It's simple, and I like simplicity. It's clean beauty. It's not sticky, not oily, none of that. Okay, of course, like I said, I have a link down below. My freaking cat. Oh my gosh, y'all, my cat is acting a fool right now. I have a link down below where you can go and get your hands on Vayshul, and they do have free shipping to the US and Canada, as well as everything I talked about in this video will be down in the description bar as well. But I'm so happy that I got my hands on this product, and I really do suggest you guys give it a try. And with that being said, thank you so much for watching. Make sure to rate, comment, subscribe, all that fun stuff, and I will see you guys in a later video.